Hey folks, today I'm going to teach you how to get set up with Apple's brand new high yield savings account, which as of when I'm making this video, currently has an APY of 4.15%. Let's dive in. To sign up for Apple's new high yield savings account, you do need to already have the Apple credit card. From the Wallet app, tap on your card, then tap on the three dots icon you see here at the top right. Now we're going to tap on Daily Cash, and from here, we're going to tap on Set Up next to Savings. You'll now need to provide your social security number and agree to terms and conditions, but after a few moments, your account will be all set up and running. Don't forget to click the like button, and thanks for watching. This is David A. Cox with Tech Talk America. Class dismissed.